Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd, and welcome to this video today where we're going to talk about how to set up a sales funnel for your online course, right? You've got some type of training, some type of course that you want to deliver to people, and we're going to talk about how to structure your funnel, how to do that. So let's talk about your funnel layout. Here's how you have to structure your funnel in order to accomplish this. I've done this before inside of ClickFunnels, so I'm going to kind of describe it from there, but the process is going to be the same regardless of which tools you use. There's other ways to do this, but when you set up your funnel, the first thing you're going to want to do is have some type of landing page set up to give away a lead magnet. Now, this is kind of variable. You could change this up as far as how you actually want to draw people in to get them interested in your course, but it's going to be kind of similar in certain aspects in that you want to give away essentially a piece of your course, whether it's a tool or a template. Another way that you could do that is if it's a course that's got like several sections to it, you can go and actually give them access to section 1 or part 1, lesson 1, whichever it is, so that they can go and try out your course and get some value from it. Now, in addition to providing value, what you kind of want to do, if you can set it up so that you give them some type of tangible result. So in lesson 1, section 1, whatever the lead magnet is, whatever they get that's a part of your course, when they go and do it, and they see, holy crap, this works. You said if I went and did this, I would get some, I'd get some subscribers, or I'd get traffic, or I'd get people clicking, or I'd get some type of result. So if you're able to set it up so they can go within that first lesson and get some type of tangible result, and they go and take action on it, they're going to be interested and want to go farther with your course. Now that you've kind of like piqued their interest, given them value, and again, given them some type of result. So next portion of your funnel is going to be your sales page. Now, all types of sales pages work, but for your online course, I kind of like to show the layout itself as far as what's inside the actual course, whether that's through either an image, a screenshot, or a video if it's a VSL, and I go and actually walk them through what the actual course looks like. And I'll show you an example of that here in a sec so you can see what I mean. But once that's set up, at the end or bottom of your sales page, you're going to have some type of buy button. Once they're like, yes, I want this, I want to be part of this course, you want to have a button for them to click on that's going to take them to the next step, which is going to be your order page. Now, on your order page, I like to have bullets on the side that just basically details what they're going to get and just kind of cements the deal. There's other aspects of your order page, but definitely tell them what's going on, what they're going to get, what's inside. And the last couple pieces are going to be the membership pages themselves. Now, I say membership pages because I do this inside of ClickFunnels, and it makes it pretty easy to do it. But there's other platforms that allow you to do paid access courses, that type of stuff that are out there. So it just kind of depends what you want to use. So for your membership pages, the way they have it set up in ClickFunnels is you have a login page for them. So once they purchase and finish, it's all done. The next step is they click to access their product, and then they'll get taken to a page where they go and set up a username and password. And then they're able to go and log in from that page any other time they want to go back in. Once they log in, then they're going to see the lesson pages and actually access the course. So it's pretty easy as far as setting up the structure of your funnel. And I'll go and we'll cut over to ClickFunnels here real quick, and I'll actually show you what I'm talking about. So we have a look at the funnel here. You can see, so I've got my order page here, offer wall. So once they've purchased, this is going to be like a confirmation. Yep, everything went through. And then that'll have a link to actually access the product. That will take them to this access page. That's where they're going to create their login and username and password and access the actual training. And the membership area is where the training is. And this is what it looks like here. I've got this one selected, you can see. So it's got all the actual lessons that are inside the course set up. So you can have a lesson section and then all the lessons that you want to put underneath that, and then divide it up into different modules, trainings, however you want. It's super easy to set up, and then you can have it either available all at once or dripped out to them if you want. So in the actual pages itself, like I was saying, you can go and kind of walk them through and show them what the portal looks like once they're actually logged in. So here you can see in this one, I would take them through and show them, okay, so like in this first part here, you can see we're going to talk about this and maybe take them through each one of the first 5 days inside of this. Then we've got this next section here, and you can go and kind of tease them and show what they're going to get access to if they take action and get into your course here. So thanks for watching this video. I got some more funnel goodness for you below. You just have to click underneath the video in the details, and I've got some more good stuff for you. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. I don't know if they even do anything anymore, but hey, it's just fun to click on things, right? I will see you in the next video.